All right, what's up guys? Episode 2 of the Baja Bug Build series. We have the RZR pretty much all torn down, but we found a lot of mud and dirt and stuff that we want to clean up before we start working on this thing. Nathan's still wrapping up, taking off the front end, and I think he just has to take off the front bumper and the grill, and that should be it for the full disassembly. So I think today we're probably gonna pull this thing out. We're gonna try to get it cleaned up with a pressure washer and just get rid of all this stuff so it's not in the way of working on the car and contaminating welds and all that stuff we don't want to happen. And then we're gonna start cutting up the bug and trying to mock up the body on top of the RZR. So this is a good amount of cutting that we have to do. I'm probably gonna cut some of that line that I drew in there. We're gonna take out this inner wheel well there. Take out some of the firewall, take out some of the rear firewall. Cut the front fenders as well. You can see I have a line there. And then we're gonna take out all this section too, just to start with. And then we're just cutting like what we know for sure has to get cut up just to make space for all this stuff. And then as we get it on and mock it up, we'll see where we have issues. And then we'll just start to make finer cuts and start dressing it up and make it look pretty just to like finalize it. All right guys, so we got the RZR outside, got it all cleaned up. This is gonna actually go a long way when we start building this car. There's nothing worse than trying to build something super nice and having mud all over the place. Still got some of this. This stuff is caked on from being there for a long time, but we hit it all with the greaser, have a clean canvas now, and we are actually gonna go inside and start cutting up the bug. But my game plan here is gonna be, I'm thinking we should cut this line here, get that out of the way. I think that should be enough from other pictures I've seen. So that should clear the rear part of the RZR. And then I want to cut this whole line all the way across. I think it'll look super sick on the bug. So that's kind of my game plan there. It'll also get rid of all this because we don't need any of that. And then the inside, we'll get in here. So that'll be the same cut from the inside. And then I think if we take off the outer fender, the way that I'm thinking, it should take off this at the same time. And then we'll just finish the cut to here and come down. And that should get rid of all this back here. So this, we need to get rid of this because that's where the motor is. And then I do want to keep the dash. I think that'll be super sick. And then that whole firewall needs to go as well. We don't need that there. So I think we're gonna cut along the top right there, come down, cut all that out, get that out of the way, and then we're gonna cut here on both sides, and then just start for now with a straight cut up and then follow the fender line. We're probably gonna end up cutting all this because we're gonna cut there, start with that, try to mock up the body. If it fits, great, then we'll just make it look nicer. If it doesn't, then we'll just keep cleaning away, and then just slowly get the body on. So we got the front cut up, all the firewalls out, this whole front section, the frunk, that's all out. Made our initial cut here, got rid of the whole front end. So this looks pretty good so far. It's all rough cut, we'll get it cleaned up later on. Like still got stuff hanging out. So next up, we need to take out the back and get out the rear corners cut. Got the bug all cut up. Rear is out of the car, or deleted from the car, I guess. Big old opening there. We did that cut right there. And I think we should be good for our first test fit on the car. It's starting to look like a car. Kind of all roughly mocked up, obviously, and it's like in a huge angle, but it looks like we are gonna have to cut. We're gonna follow this line. We did that in the back and it actually came out pretty cool. It looks nice. So I think we're gonna mimic that in the front, and then we do need to massage it over here and get some room. I'm gonna take off the steering wheel while Brett's cutting that up, and then I'm gonna try to take off some of these plastics. I think we could actually get this to line up pretty good with the steering column, so that actually might work out really cool. But it's starting to take shape, so pretty sick. All right, so we separated the bug from the razor. Brett's gonna go ahead and start cutting off all the unnecessary brackets that we don't need anymore. So we marked off a bunch of stuff. So he's gonna work on that. He's also gonna cut this straight. We're gonna get a filler plate on that. And then me and Nathan are trying to figure out how much of the bug we're gonna cut off and get that all set up. So the last time you guys saw this, it had way more material on the whole bug. So we ended up deciding to cut all of this out. We took out this inner rocker panel so we could have some room for the RZR chassis. Took out more dash, took out a lot more back here. Took out these inner weird tube things. This was hiding inside of the rocker panel. So we got rid of all that. Nathan already went ahead and made those filler plates, so that's what's gonna box in that rocker panel. I got these things welded on already, so this is gonna be flat and it'll hide under the VW front clip. And then I think after we get this welded on or tacked on, we're gonna flip the body over so we can weld it on the bottom easier. And we should be able to take this and test fit it here and get better results than the last time. All right, we got the bug completely flipped over. We got our filler plates, our new filler rocker plates put in there. They're just roughed in. We just tacked it in. We got to do some work on this. I think we're just gonna get it like pretty close to where it needs to be and tack it, and then the body shop should be able to make that look nice. I need to find out on that. I'm not 100% sure. So we're gonna prep this, bring this down, clean up the edges now that we can see it a lot better, and then we're gonna fill in some. There's two separate panels here that we separated when we cut it, so we're gonna tack that together as well, just a couple throughout it. And then after that, I think we should be able to go ahead and put it on the bug and get hopefully a final mock-up. All right, we got the bug on the RZR, and it's kind of in its like final home. So I think we're gonna go up maybe a 1/4 inch from where it's at right now, just to get a little bit more head clearance, because the customer is like 6'7" or something. Not really. And then I kind of want to level out this, which is going to give us some room to build out a nice rock slider for him. And everything is starting to come out really nice. So everything's super low. We're going to be making a panel there that will be flush with this top one. Everything's looking good. You got a little spacers there. After we stretch all this forward and back, it should be pretty good. The 35s are going to help fit that wheel well. You can see that we capped this earlier. And then the rocker panels that Nathan was working on, that's a lot cleaner in there. Before, this was all touching the RZR, so we fixed that. We're gonna make a cap for that later. But it's coming together, so we're probably gonna end this video here, because the next step that we need to do, we have to get the front suspension and the rear suspension laid out and stretched out to where we're gonna put it. We need tires and the new wheels. And once we get that stuff in place on the RZR, we're gonna be able to finalize the body where it's gonna sit, and we can start making mounts. So we're gonna end the video here. Drop a like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for episode 3.